It is a Friday and I am back in office. I was in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania yesterday, and today I was in the office seeing clients in Morristown, New Jersey. So a busy week for a law firm, both in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. Prior to being in Montgomery County, I was in Burlington County, New Jersey. I was in Cape May, and I was in Bucks County this week. So I'm running around a lot as always. Put out some blog articles regarding back to school. As many people are obviously aware, a lot of students at the college and university level are going back to school this week. And a lot of our blog articles and our content and our e-update, which went out today with over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, focused in on back to school. Now, the articles focused on common offenses that we see at the college level, but really these could happen at really the high school or college level. We did an article on hazing. Hazing, unfortunately, can be an issue at the college level. Sometimes, again, I mean, I'm not judging anybody. I was a part of a club in college. So I get it. But at the same time, sometimes the hazing goes too far. And when it steps over that line, it becomes a criminal charge. And unfortunately, local schools have lost students to hazing, which went too far. We all know about the Penn State, that unfortunate incident. And in some cases, we've had students who've had alcohol poisoning and haven't lost their lives, fortunately, but have really pushed that line in terms of life or death. So with that said, the article focused in on how New Jersey and Pennsylvania treat hazing. It can be graded as low as a summary offense in Pennsylvania to as high as a felony offense in Pennsylvania. In New Jersey, it can be a disorderly person's offense or an indictable. In most cases, if it's being charged in New Jersey, it's an indictable crime, a third or a fourth degree. The disorderly person's offense, I don't think that they would charge hazing. They would probably charge something less than that, probably disorderly conduct of some sort or some kind of simple assault. The hazing statute is unique in Pennsylvania and New Jersey with regards to the way it's written. There's not an intent to cause harm. It's just that putting a person in a situation or instructing or forcing a person to do something that would cause them harm or possibly death. That is what's in the hazing statute, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Another common crime that we see, unfortunately, is underage drinking, and more importantly, underage drinking and driving. It's important to understand that in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, there is no tolerance for alcohol and driving for a person under the age of 21. So unlike an adult where it's 0.08 or higher, in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, it's zero tolerance. So you could have 0.01 in your system and be what they call baby DWI or baby DUI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. So with that said, that underage person is subject to license suspension. And unlike what they're doing now in many states with the ignition interlock, that person is not eligible for those programs. Now, a lot of states have instituted, Pennsylvania and Jersey being one of them, the interlock program, which allows a person to drive immediately because the states have figured out that they can make money off this. And that's why they've proceeded in that direction. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. I'm going to link in the article that I wrote on hazing and the article that I wrote on underage drinking and driving. In addition, I'll link in the update, which is a fantastic resource to go in your weekend. Again, I always give my weekend advice if you are traveling in Pennsylvania or New Jersey and you stop for suspicion of DUI or DWI, do not refuse the chemical test, never help your criminal case, be polite, be respectful to the officer, but never give consent to search your property or your person. Just if the officer is going to arrest you, let him or her arrest you and let your attorney fight the case from there. Again, don't refuse the chemical test. Do not give consent to search your property or your person. Once again, have a great weekend. And if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Again, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.